Hello everyone. In the previous video we learned about variables, how to declare them, how to initialize them and how to reassign values to them. In this video we are going to learn more about variables. It is possible to declare a variable outside a function by simply saying var variable name and variable type. But it is not possible to assign a value outside the function. I cannot say name is equal to ABC outside this. So if I do this, I'll get an error. Non-declaration statement outside function body. To avoid this, I have to do the assignment of values to these variables inside a function. Now if I do this and print out name, then it gets printed out successfully. Now once I run this, I'll see ABC, as you can see over here. Another thing is that I told you that if you declare a variable, you have to use it. But this rule only applies within a function. If I do a declaration outside a function, then this rule does not apply. So even if I do not print in name and I just run this, it will still work, as you can see. So now if you think that writing var and name and type is too long, we have a shortcut in Go. It is called the shorthand declaration of variables. You can simply say variable name, put a colon and equal to, and give the value to that variable. For example, if I say 20, then this variable automatically becomes an int type, as you can see over here. Now to check the type of the variable, let me just print this too. fmt println test. And now to check the type of this variable, we can either use type of reflect.typeof, or we can use this printf method. You have to simply put a %t in double quotes, capital T, and put a comma and specify the variable name. So this test will go inside this and it will find the type of test. The type of test is int. So this should output as int. Let me just run this. Now as you can see, the type is int. So as I said that once the type is assigned, you cannot change the data type while assigning the values. Now if I try to do test is equal to ABC, this will fail because test is already a type int now. Now this cannot accept or store string values. So when I run this, this will fail. We get the same error. So this type has to be maintained in this variable. Now if I had said that test is XYZ, now this works. Now test will be a string, then this will be reassigned to ABC. So I'll get the value ABC and the type will be string. As you can see over here, the name is ABC and the type is string. The next thing is that if we want to if we want to know about the operating system, there is a package called runtime. I'll just print it, fmt.println runtime. You can see over here. Now if I need to know which operating system I'm working on, I can simply say go OS all in caps. And if I need to know about the architecture, I can simply say go ARCH. Now if I run this, I'll get the operating system and the architecture along with all other things. I'm using a Windows, so I see a Windows and I see the architecture AMD 64. Now I use the printf, so hence I am not seeing this in a new line. You have to remember that too. This will be all for this video. Thank you for watching. And one more thing, you have to refer to chapter 1 of Head First Go for definitions, and if you have not understand anything properly, you can always refer the book or ask doubts. That will be all. Thank you for watching.